Welcome, viewers, to a journey through the multifaceted capabilities of Chat GPT, an extraordinary AI language model that revolutionizes communication and creativity. At its core, Chat GPT harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to comprehend and generate human-like text. But its impact goes far beyond mere text generation. Let's dive into the myriad of applications. Firstly, Chat GPT serves as a versatile writing assistant, aiding in creating compelling articles, refining content, and even assisting in academic or professional writing. Moreover, it's the backbone of intelligent chatbots. These bots engage users, offer customer support, streamline processes, and personalize interactions, improving overall user experiences. Imagine having an inexhaustible source of creative inspiration. Chat GPT aids in content creation, brainstorming ideas for videos, marketing campaigns, or even generating captivating narratives. Education sees a transformation too. Chat GPT acts as a virtual tutor, explaining concepts, answering queries, and providing supplemental learning materials, catering to diverse educational needs. Developers leverage Chat GPT's capabilities to innovate. From creating innovative applications to designing immersive experiences in games, it fuels the imagination of developers worldwide. While Chat GPT offers immense potential, ethical considerations and responsible use are crucial. Ensuring fair and unbiased content creation is pivotal in leveraging its capabilities. In essence, Chat GPT isn't just a language model. It's a catalyst for better communication, automation, creativity, education, and innovation, redefining the landscape of human-machine interaction. Unleash the potential of Chat GPT in your projects and endeavors.